Hi, this is Eric with the University of Brighton Visual Modeling Group. I'd like to talk today about some of our recent progress on the diagram space interface to the WebProtégé ontology editor. So one of the things we've been working on recently is the notion of subsumption, which is something that we indicate through having one curve contain another curve. And we would like to help users of our diagram space interface to more easily express these relations in the editor. What we've been exploring recently are two different sort of idioms for expressing subsumption. The first of which is that of searching. The idea that you want to say that, for example, plant subsumes bamboo. You start by typing in the name of one of the objects. So you want to say plant. And here you notice that if we start typing, say, the letter P, we have a partial search and we have sort of the curves, candidate curves highlighted. And as soon as we get a unique match, so PL, then the highlighting gets more intense to indicate that we have a successful search. So this is the first mechanism, searching for one of the classes that we want to say subsumes another class. The second mechanism we have in mind is that of drag and drop. So drag and drop consists of basically taking a curve out from a template and hovering over some of the curves on the canvas until we have a unique match. So here it's not clear to the editor whether we want to select plants, panda, bamboo, but if we sort of move the curve around until plants is the only thing that is selected, then we have unique match, and we can sort of unify the two curves together and say that, okay, well, the outer curve must be plant. So the next question is, we have this notion of being able to type things in by search, and we have this notion of using drag and drop to select objects. Now we want to know how to sort of combine these two ideas. And the way that we are thinking of currently of doing this is by having the drag and drop interface be the main driver of this, that you can do everything by dragging and dropping if you want. But sometimes this isn't going to be very convenient. So for example, if say plant and panda, if the curves are very close together, it might be the case that that dragging and dropping will tend to be very ambiguous and very frustrating and very sort of, it would tend to be difficult to be able to pick out objects just using drag and drop alone. So at this point, we would allow the user to sort of narrow the search down by typing things in. And here, even though I'm still hovering via drag and drop over both plant and panda, because I've narrowed the search down to things that start with PL, only plant is possible, only plant is selectable. And so now if I release the mouse button, then these two curves will unify, and I've indicated that, okay, of this subsumption relationship, plant is the sort of the subsuming class. And now if I want to select one of the other classes, the subsumed one, I can no longer select plant, but I can choose one of panda or bamboo. So this is just the user interface aspect of this. There's still quite a lot of progress to make on the on subsumption itself and on the rest of the diagram space editor, but I thought this would be interesting to show where we are. So thanks very much.